Open up.
Wait! Am I supposed to bite it?
Yes, put it in your mouth and chew it.
I'm so scared.
Exactly. Fear factor. There you go. Feed yourself. Feed yourself. Here you go. Take a bite. Just take a bite. Eddie did it.
Eddie's stupid. I don't want to bite whatever that is.
Eat it. Eat it. Bite it. Just bite that piece. Now bite it. Chew it.
What is it?
You gotta tell us.
Oh wait, it's not so bad.
There you go. Take some more. Take some more now.
No, I have enough. Wait.
No, it's not so bad now.
Why does it feel so gross?
Want some more?
It does have a weird texture.
You want some more?
Oh, he knew that for a while now.
Do you want some more?
No.
Oh, okay.
Ew. I
Want
don't
to make a guess?
Ew. There's some sort of dried fruit.
Ugh.
I don't like it, whatever it is.
You're dripping this up here.
I'm dripping?
Yes, you are. You're dripping, wife. You got dripping stuff dripping out of your mouth.
Ew.
Put that as wrong or right?
Wrong.
Wait, okay, I think it's dried mango.
You got
Yeah,
it.
wow.
good job.
Why is it so...
Okay, here comes your next one.
Oh gosh!
You
Open
just
up.
have to open up.
Open up.
I want to be able to...
No,
Comes
you
the
can't.
Airplane in for
Open up.
landing.
Close your mouth, woman. Where's the spit? You want to spit it out? You're supposed to toss.
Ruined maggots! Really sweet one.
Oh, babe, we got a container for that.
Oh, is that rice pudding?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate rice pudding.
I don't want to alarm you because we're friends.
Oh
The
gosh.
next one has a really strange texture.
Here,
Oh,
put it in her
gosh.
hand.
I'll hand it to her.
Wait.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, she can't have this one.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
No, she can't have that one. That's
Yeah.
right. I'm sorry.
You can't have that one, Kim.
Yeah, never mind.
Oh, whew.
We'll skip that one.
Good. Do I just automatically get it
it's
right
all
then?
Natural.
No.
Something with corn.
Yes, it was a baby corn.
Oh. It was a baby corn, Bella. I got that one right.
You're not so loud because the boys are here.
Oh, sorry. No, you can't hear anything. Ew! Ew, what the heck?
No smelling.
No,
No
smelling.
smelling.
Sorry. Oh, it's a slug. Ew. Oh, it's like a,
Eat it.
what? Oh, it's like a, is that a mandarin orange?
There you go.
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay, I need your hand again.
Oh my god.
Okay, now this one might move
Stop.
around. This one might move
No!
around.
Don't say stuff like that! Stop! Oh! Oh, gosh. Ew. Ew.
It's
Just
amazing.
put it
It's
in.
amazing what the sight does with somebody.
I would be so skinny if I was blind.
Just put it right in your mouth.
Ew. Ew!
She's not.
Ew, it's a mushroom.
There you go.
Ugh.
All right, next.
All
Wait,
right,
oh, I
good
thought I was
job.
done.
That was
That's it.
it.
Oh, good. Ugh.